Hello, welcome to my channel, the Crochet Yarn and Hook Studio. I hope everyone is good and healthy. Today I bring a very beautiful tutorial for you. It's a step-by-step tutorial. You are going to learn it in few minutes and you will make it by yourself. So we are not going or linger on any of the thing for long discussions. Simple is that we are going to make this beautiful sunflower, and with the help of this string you will learn that how we have created this string as well. So it's going to be a wall hanging or hair accessory. It depends on you that how you are going to use it. So most of the time these type of things are used for the hair accessories and wall hangings, and even window hangings are also very common these days, so you can prepare it for yourself for such thing as well. So to start with the tutorial, just jump on the crocheting of sunflower. It's a basic thing we have to do. We will use this brown color for the center, and this darker yellow color for the sunflower petals, and this matcha green color we are going to use for the string. I will just guide you how you are going to make the string, and it will depends on you that how long you want to make. You can make your own measurements. I have created this hair accessory with only 12 inches, so depends on your own choice. To start the center of the sunflower, we have to make the center with the magic loop, and we are using 3.5 mm crochet hook number. It's 3.5 mm, and we are going to use we will start with the brown color, and we will take almost 10 half double crochet. After closing the magic loop, we will do the slip stitch in the first stitch. Make sure your center is properly closed after stretching the yarn. And also sew and cut the thread to make it ready for the next step. The center is ready. Now with the same crochet hook number 3.5 mm, we will start with yellow color. Now we are going to put the yellow color in any of the stitch with one lock or chain or slip stitch, you can call it. That is the important step you have to carefully see. In the same stitch we are going to do the first step, that is going to be our single crochet. In the same stitch, half double crochet, and in the same stitch, double crochet. Now take 2 chains, 1, 2. Come towards the next stitch. We will reverse the whole procedure of the first step. We will first do double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch, and single crochet in the same stitch. Our first petal is done. Now come towards the next step, the next stitch. We will do single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the same stitch. Now take 2 chains, 1, 2. Double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch, and single crochet in the same stitch. In this way we have completed the 2 petals. We will close it with a slip stitch with our first stitch we taken at the very start. After finishing it, we will have the beautiful sunflower that can be used for so many things that you want to do. That is a complete sunflower we have created. Now for the chain, we are using 3.0 mm crochet hook number. You can even use 2.5 because the yarn is thin, and it depends on you. You can use a thicker yarn as well. So start with chain. It's a simple chain we are doing. You see, it's a normal chain. You have to leave little bit space at the bottom, and we will make our leaf on the 7 chains. So make sure the distance you have put at the end is according to your choice. So after taking few more chains, I will start making a leaf on the chain directly. For this I will do slip stitch first, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet in 2 chains, 1, 2, half double crochet in the next chain, and single crochet in the next chain, slip stitch, and we will continue our chain to make the string according to your own choice of the length. One time we will make our leaves at this side, and other time we will make our leaves on the other side. To the opposite side. To do the opposite side leaf, I will simply turn my chain and I will make the leaf at the back. Single chain, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet in 2 chains, half double crochet again, single crochet and slip stitch. After doing the slip stitch, we will continue making the chain. So this is the procedure of making the leaves. You have seen that one of the leaf is coming at this side and one of the leaf is coming on the other side. The reason is that we have crocheted the leaves on front and back. So after doing and reaching to the point that you want to make the length, we will attach these sunflowers on the sides of the leaves. So you have seen that these strings are attached with green color and the leaves are coming beside the sunflowers. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have learned sunflower and a string, and the attachment is easy. You can do it by yourself. That is a basic thing that you can do. So hopefully you will make it for yourself or your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.